If you are looking for a zesty, perfect lemon tart with heavenly meringue, this video is for you. Let's turn our shared passion into a sweet symphony of flavors. First of all, we are making an easy and delicious pastry crust. Combine together flour, almond powder, powdered sugar and butter. Give the egg a quick mix in advance, pour it into the bowl and form a dough. Wrap the dough into the plastic and chill it about 1 hour, so it comes together even more. Roll out the dough to your desired thickness. To me, I prefer my Tart Shell to have 3 mm thickness. Grease the inside of the tart ring with butter. Place the dough over the tart ring and gently press it around the ring. Cut out the excess with a sharp knife. Put it in the freezer and at the same time switch on your oven. When the temperature in the oven reaches 170 Celsius, take out the frozen tart and bake for 15 minutes. While the tart bakes, we are going to make a delicious lemon curd. Add the lemon juice and zest, sugar, cornstarch and egg yolks all in the saucepan. Start heating up and whisking continuously. As soon as appears the bubbles, take it off from the heating and add butter. Spread the lemon curd evenly on your tart shell. The link of the meringue recipe I will leave below the video in the description box. Transfer the Italian meringue into the piping bag with the nozzle of your preference. Pipe the tart and zest some lemon for more citrus aromas. If you like my video, don't forget to express your support by clicking the like button and subscribing to my channel. Your engagement truly matters to me. To give it a burnt look, I used my torch. That looks absolutely delicious.